Bambu Lab X2D First Print Guide. For the AMS2 combo, your setup should look like this. AMS on top with the gray tube and 6-pin cable connected. For the standard setup, it should look like this. Spool holder as the base with the white tube connected directly. Now, to begin the first print, confirm that the power switch is turned on. Place your filament into the AMS2 Pro slot. Gently push the filament inlet, then insert the filament about 2 centimeters. The AMS will detect it and automatically begin feeding the filament. On the screen homepage, navigate to the AMS setup page via the assistant and select Auto Mode. Tap Detect to start the AMS initialization. Next, take a filament spool and note its type and color. Place it on the spool holder, paying attention to the winding direction. Tap Edit, choose the correct filament type and color, then tap Confirm. Before inserting the filament, make sure to give the tip a clean cut. Avoid leaving any bends or sharp burrs. This ensures the filament glides perfectly through the PTFE tubes and into the extruder. Once the filament is fully pushed in, you will feel a slight resistance from the spring buffer. The screen will display the filament color. Tap Load on the screen, and when prompted, push the filament forward once more. When you observe the nozzle extruding filament smoothly, tap the screen to continue. Before placing the build plate, check and clean the heat bed surface. Place the build plate properly onto the heated bed and double-check that it is fully seated and aligned. We recommend preparing a USB flash drive for your files. On the home page, tap Print Files, then select the model you wish to print. Confirm the build plate and nozzle information and set any other options as needed. Select the loaded filament for each hot end and tap Print. Once the print is finished, wait for the heat bed and model to cool to room temperature. Remove the build plate and gently flex it to release the model and the prime tower. Use a scraper to remove the pre-extruded line, then place the plate back. To unload your material, follow the procedure for your specific setup. If a job is canceled, simply tap Unload on the touchscreen to retract the filament from the extruder back into the AMS. For the AMS2 Pro, once a print job completes, the filament will automatically retract into the unit. For an external spool, if the filament is not in use, it should be unloaded and stored. Tap Unload on the screen and follow the prompts. As the filament exits the tool head, pull it back while rotating the spool at the same time. Catch the filament near the pneumatic connector and secure the end into the spool hole. Congratulations! You've completed your first print.